Hey, Joe here. The race at Marion County Raceway is just a few days away, and I have just a few little things I'd like to take care of on my car before I load it up and head that way. So let's get to work. I tested my rear wheel speed sensor in my ECU, but I forgot that I also need to test it in the TCU. So I'm going to do that now. Now that we're connected, we just go over to advanced, and right here we have vehicle speed. So if I jump down to my wheel, just like I did when I was testing my ECU, and I get some wheel speed going, I should have some mile per hour going up here. What do we have? Oh yeah, 3 miles per hour, 2 miles per hour. So it's definitely registered on there. Pulses per mile, that's where you adjust. I did some math. I should have like 4,168 pulses per mile. So I'll go ahead and put that in there. And I'll have to get it on the road or on the track to actually get that tested and verified. But we'll try this one more time. Well, it doesn't look real steady, but it's there. So we'll have to work on it when we can drive the car. Test my nitrous activation. I've done some setup in my ECU to have it come on the way I think I want it to, and I'm just going to log the output and make sure the output comes on. I don't have the nitrous bottle in the car right now, just looking at the output, so I'm not even going to stall the car up. I'm only using the nitrous to stall the car up. I'm just going to leave it in neutral and hit the brake, activate the launch control, and step on the gas till it hits the limiter, and the nitrous control should turn off. And then when I release the brake, it should be off. So I'll test that without the nitrous in the car. This is my nitrous output setup. So there's condition 1, 2, and 3. It will not come on when it's on the launch limit. It will not come on if the boost is over 24.9 pounds. And it will not come on unless TPS is at 90%. So let's see if this works. Yikes, that's spicy. It's pretty hard to test that nitrous the way I'm testing it, but I think I got good data here. If you look down here, this little white line, that's the nitrous coming on. This little green line that spikes up and then spikes up again, that's throttle position. So I stepped on it the first time, and you know, my car kind of fell on its face because I don't have the tip-in set up real good. So I had to get off of it and then get back in it again a little slowly so it would get past that. But both times, once I got to wide open throttle, the nitrous came on. This time, when I got to wide open throttle, the nitrous came on, and you can see where it shut off right here. And the reason for that is, if you look up here, this kind of hard to see little orange jump right here, that's the actual limiter. So when the limiter came on, the nitrous shut off, just like it's supposed to. So I'll be able to pop the relay in there and throw the bottle in there, and I should get some good results. I'm going to try putting this filter in the line that goes to the trans cooler, in the hopes that if I were to hurt the transmission again, any clutch material or whatever's in the transmission that gets pumped to the cooler, it would get caught in this filter before plugging up my cooler, so I won't have to buy another one. I'm going to put it in this line right here. That's affected my converter pressure at all. We'll open up the Link software. Connect it up. Alright, let's rev it up a little and make sure we still get some good pressure. If that filter will keep the garbage out of my cooler. That's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, do all that social media stuff for me if you get a chance, and I'll see you next time.
Put cheese on it.